Have you ever taken something to your trash can and you just went, wow, that stinks? Well, here we are. We're gonna fix that problem today because we've got Andrew Whiting with a new concept and a new business called the Bin Bubbler that comes to you to clean your trash can. So Andrew, thank you so much on this. And so we've got this beautiful truck. I love the graphics and everything here. And so tell us a little bit about how this concept works.
Yeah, so we have a truck. It's 100% mobile trash can cleaning service. We come around on trash day after the trash cans have come and emptied your trash bins so they're nice and empty. And we clean out all the junk that's built up in there that doesn't get out when the trash cans empty your trash.
And I like that because what I've seen from this machine is that you got all your water tanks in here. You got all your soap, it just washes it. And we're gonna show you how that basically does that in just a moment. But I like how environmental friendly that we have here as well.
Yep, it's 100% self-contained. We take the water, we keep the water, we dispose of it responsibly. The soap we use is eco-friendly as well, so it's all 100% eco-friendly and self-contained. We have a monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly subscription. A monthly we'd come by every single month after trash day. Bi-monthly 6 times a year, and quarterly 4 times a year. You can scan this code, you can get on our website, read all about the service we offer. But we're pretty excited about it to get the community smelling better. You don't have to worry about other people's trash cans. Get them nice and clean and get rid of all those bacteria that build up in your trash cans.
So what areas do you cover?
So we cover the Nevada County, Sierra foothills. We anywhere from Auburn up to Grass Valley and even north of that. So we're out here keeping the Sierra foothills clean, one trash bin at a time.
Awesome, Andrew, thank you. Hey, let's go check out how this thing works. Hey, that was really cool. So I appreciate that. I hope you guys enjoyed that because yeah, definitely it works. It's a wonderful machine and I appreciate you coming back and giving back to the community and helping things out. So thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Check us out. Check out our website. Give us a call. We'd love to come service your trash bins.
All right, take care. Till next time.